Hello, my beautiful people. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on where you for the watch this my video. My people, as soon as know for this our channel, say we they bring gists. Apropos anything with no concern gist. Now with the land for this our channel. That's why you see this channel with the column. Apropos Saga TV. Anyway, if you don't see that channel, news and gist what they do for dear. My people, I beg, make una continue to encourage this channel by subscribing. Just subscribe. It don't take anything from you. Subscribe, put on your notification bell, like and share. I will also appreciate all of you when they watch our video, when they share our video, when also they like this our video. We really do appreciate you all. Okay, guys, I will leave una make una watch this video. This is our latest gist. May I leave una make una watch am. Okay, my people, I will see you now for my next video. Bye bye.
Bontrowe 1, Bontrowe 5 children in Germany. Vera, you know, say when you start this your craze, the other time I was there with you for that your platform. When I see say this some people, not the only some people they this word where they're not the lay person. Some of these some people where they're not the lay person they hear word. Immediately you start this your craze that day, Vera. When I can see the way when some people tell they want turn out to try about something again there. That was the first time when they call into your platform. Then I can quickly say, Vera, this thing where you say you want do so. Truth where you not feel go take care of your children where you abandon. Where you say you want come find truth. Now I say, my sister, as you just start and so people go come turn now. Some of these some people, I don't see where they talk, they go because I see their contributions. Say they want to turn out to something like that. Now I call in. I can't say I beg. If you won't do anything, not just let them on. I saw they go test that time. It go come be another thing again. Now I tell beg you before you can't stop that very day. Larry Vera, may I talk to you? Because you don't get shit. Look, this thing where you they smoke. The enter live video, I'll tell you say that people smoke can before you. This weed, Vera, where you they smoke so, I'll tell you say that people they smoke weed before you never see anything. And then you continue. I still come outside. This has always been the problem. Look at Kate the winch now. Now so she come outside, they insult her head. Come and say she be a some person. When he not let her to admit today now. As I take come and talk to you that day on that mindset, what you do, it was a disaster. The way where you come, just like your sister, just look at all of una the grace. That una other sister, when come talk put, this time when that time when Sarah bring your matter for them. That one too, from the way she was talking, you go no say that one too now, you don't get life. Why be so una useless for una family like this? Because you see the way when I contact talk to you, just JJ that day, I can't say my sister, I know say me you not do anything where you can't do for this live video, not use and touch my own place. Vera, you even they get the guts to say you not be pure, you not be Benin at all, you not use one side. Come from Benin. No go back no yakani where a way pure ama where no buwa yera. Now they call they do the bad, you miss blood. One not come from Benin, una go the claim so that be Benin. Now go come commit all sorts of havoc, atrocities. And una go the claim say that Benin una come from. People go come they use that eye now, they look Benin people. Whereas we are not the ones. The real Benin's are not the ones constituting nuisance on social media. Many of you are Asian people. Many of you are from other places where they don't even know. Vera, when me I come out that day, say not touch my Benin land. I curse you that day. Vera, make a good pay your neck. Vera, no mune make ibiagalelao. No good boy yera visual, no good boy jisual, ni jouer you laimi. No good bijoué, et vera. No good bijoué, ni sangone pa we no deji jouo hun. Ezu zanumok be no li jouo hun suweke. Ogun ogwe vera. Ogun berak bijoué. You think, okay, now you want us say only you. Or are you without your crazy prostitute sister because you're not useless for our family? You want us say you go face all of us? I'm out for you now. Because that day when I come out, I tell you, JJ, face who say you want face and remove tribal out of you. Look at how stupid you are now. Not be many Benin people, they follow you there since. You there from there, you they insult your papa. Your papa no buana berani era yamgele wo yerag mogu hundan no biele modan. Look at all your family, you are so useless. No one of you. Vera, this weed where you they smoke, I'll tell you some people smoke before you. When you go knock weed finish, you come live video, come the craze. God, they insult everybody. You never feel God take care of your children when you abandon. For Nigeria, when you start this thing that day, they try to calm all of them down, say, may we first look, may not just the same person throw away children. You never see one day when I insult you, when I molest your Urobo land, wherever you are not from Urobo. All these useless people, when you not know na root. You don't see where Urobo people they misbehave. You don't see where Urobo people can say get waiting beneath do them. Have you seen them constituting nuisance? Every other tribes in that Edo state, apart from these Esan people, you don't see them waiting bring about Esan matter because me I never get chance to follow up this matter like that. But I could see say the first day when your Benji, my son, I send you to school. Now if I bring Esan and not get the answer, say who they talk to me. Then the next thing say, if una beneath they talk, make una not they put Esan. As if Esan is not more special than Benin. Let's call a spade here. Because you not see Benin man will carry you. Rati Toto. So that's so that Benjamin Small rich, Vera. Person where you even senior. All because of baby mama money where they carry for your hand. Child benefits. Where you they take buy car for them. Where you they take buy car for them. Where you they park they give them. Where you never go feed your children for home. Vera, you say you go feed do this one where you dey so. Ogun ogbera isakpana onwareje wa ugbo viera hu Vera. Ogun ogbera isago de pobo onwareje ra hu okokereje ra hu era aye ke agbalekun ogun ogbera ebo panya ogbera edie bode wase ogbera oke agbera Vera aga gegwewera fian aga gegwewera oye meme level aga gegwewera odeyi moto odeyi accident otone doga buwe otone do nudo nyi Vera nuna goado azedo amelume emikemin wagi evo tone do nino no tone do yakopu akedo mi ngoado azedo ogun oga buwe wa gberegberi amelume emikemin do yakopu ehie eva enu evo tedo amenu wo uga gberegberi eva ekede na nakpa ogun oga gbera Vera. Ogun ogbera isakana onwareje ra hu iba bo mwera Vera ugbo viera hu igbagbo na no ri aponso ugbo viera hu ogun ogbera Vera ewidi nu si na oga gbuwe moroko nu si oga gbuwe Vera oga gbuwe gbe Benjamin Benjamin ga je meme level Benjamin ga oga desu voto ogun do gbe Benjamin ogun oga gbe Benjamin Esan oga gbe Benjamin run David na mi edo I hear setting me Esan. If Benin Kingdom is not there, you cannot see anything like Esan. Esan grew out of Benin Kingdom. Esan grew up from Benin Kingdom before they left Benin Kingdom. Tesan oga gbe Benjamin Ogun agbo Pontro way 5 children she kutubale she. I must find the truth, a truth ogbu a truth ogbu down, a truth ogbu mayagba give way. E monu no biela viokwa. E monu biela viokwa no gugbu agbera. No vera. Iva bomwera o. No gugbera no tono de gbera gie. O tone don wadon yini on wa we pio. O pio ogbu ohun. Wanna test well everywhere. If you look at all these people constituting nuisance on this social media, and they are not real Beninese. So go come and say, I saw you take one part, take on from there. Now so they can't live there. Now so this one. You will be people seeing you guys now misbehaving with all your madness, constituting nuisance and saying you are from Benin Kingdom. They will all believe you. You are not from Benin Kingdom. We the Beninese, we don't behave like that. The Beninese are unique people. The Beninese respect their elders, they respect everyone. And that's why you see that Benin Kingdom is a very accommodative kingdom and a peaceful kingdom. Una not like to accept you una come. If una do all una atrocities, una rubbish finish, people go come, they say, he doesn't say he come from Benin. Not knowing that it's not the real Beninese. It's not the Beninese that they are. The Beninese can never stood low. That it condescends that low to be constituting a public nuisance. No good boy. Ogun ba ga gbo no ni ogun ni si do ga gbo no ogun ason kwa fa ga gbo no. Nu ya ka ge pi oni. We nu na de o bokpa ve va hi. Wo mu majo bokpa kedore. Ime bo do bakere. With all these other tribes in Edo State. That's why I've been talking about this thing. Now, like some people, you go even see said that they misbehave somehow. But the other tribe, they are very decent. How can you now come and claim that you are a debtor? You know how many debtor me I still get up to now from my house in Nigeria? You go come tell me say you be debtor? Just the way you people are trying to spoil the Benin names. You no longer accept your tribe. You are not proud to say where you are from. Everybody, every one of you want to claim Benin. I know that you are using our name for better things on social media. You keep swelling us before the world. And people that don't know, they will think that it's the Benin that they are committing all these atrocities. Not knowing that it's you imposters. You are not from Benin, claiming you are from Benin. And then you go about on social media constituting all sorts of nuisance. Making people to believe that it's the Beninese. No, when we are doing your talk, we want to be Benjamin Vera. Get baby papa, get a baby no, get baby papa in him. Very ugly, useless boy. When this is that day, or the man say I'm not looking like that. And okay, just asked him, my brother, where are you from? He said, make him tell you, if una de talk una be bini he not concerned the sound. He not concerned, you know. He said went not only in that place, he repeated it again. To say, maybe not your time, bini matter, it not concerned the sound. More than just the talk. As if a is one thing where they never see. For life before, who they follow now, they drag this one, it's a way better one use a head. He go come outside, he go say, so, no good boo, you think say if your papa no pay your mama bride price, you're useless papa Vera. No good boo, you're a visual. Ogun Bera, a dear body was all Bera. Ogun some guava, Bera. Ogun is the dog Bera, Gunamo, Bera Vera. Oh, tornado Bera, all got boo, whether they're baking or more Morocco, no sin all got boo, Vera. A Morocco got see a meme, you at who got a meme level. What bell? Look at you. Oh my goodness. You first come outside, you won't start on that day. Already, what the very day when you start this looking for truth. I still say the way some essence, then what still turn out to another thing. That was what drove me. Motivated me to call in quickly. Because I don't see say they don't begin to talk the matter, go somewhere. And I can say, Vera, not gonna let them turn this thing to tribal one, no. Just find what you say you want find. As if that's not enough, you came outside the other day just like this, you're stupid and a prostitute, Sarah. Huh? Una family, una just useless. Bata, una no get what they take, una they smell. For that, una family. Not be Benjamin first bring a son, say where they talk beneath matter, make they not the talk a son for inside. Nobody asked him if he was from Mesa, even. Now Benjamin first just say, I beg you, if una the talk una matter, beneath matter, he not consign a son. And then again he repeated it. Me I be a son boy now. What you call consign me for waiting at the consign where beneath the talk. He was the one that first of all tribe did, just as always. The Esan tribal thing again. Who they follow now drag this una Esan. We are saying we are one, but una say no, but more una not get brain, some people. First of all, to say who they follow us, even they drag this our Esan. That una stinking dirty Esan. As Vera come because of una, say making she they insult her papa, they say her papa na stinking dirty thing. No good boy yerao, no good better Benjamin. Make a good kill your papa Benjamin. Make a son kill your papa. What bell? Abu Hunja. Who asked you whether you be a son that day? Bini and Esa, wait, what is the difference? Not be from inside Bini, you grow come outside. Not be from there. Bini person don't they talk, you go say because you be Esa, may you not talk there one day. What if Bini they do when Esa not they do? If you are not useless, if you are not insane, that one where they carry tongue, they no more no buani. Get Benjamin no mami agmore. Who were Vera Loria ye who get the no yamu yo wa, you know the shade. Person where don't bow where have to don't bring water finish. Your mother's age, where you go put for house, useless toto. Huh? Where 5 children don't come out already. Water, bedding toto. One load the next son like you the Christ. Who asked you whether you be a son that day? When Vera come they talk now, I say I watch her small. I know they like that time. I can't let her see the video. Now you first they say no. When they are talking Bini, they know they talk Esa. Huh? Who know the lay person they hear what they get. These are all I was trying to avoid from the beginning. And that was my first time of calling it to this very stupid thing. What should they do to avoid all these things? And then when you two came on a no guest platform, now you go bring a son, person for not know whether you be a son or not. And the way you even said it, it's like maybe you are not trying to compare son to Bini. I beg you, that one when they talk, now Bini, now this one. And this useless thing again. You go tell me say some Bini people know they follow you the Vera. Where you they insult your papa because you believe say as your papa not pay your mama bride price. Now so all may be. Vera, this your son baby boy. Where you they carry they go, so where you they spend your child benefit for. He don't pay your dowry, not be a son. You know say some person they pay dowry. Can you come out to swear? If this Benjamin of a boy don't pay your dowry, your papa yo, that one never pay your dowry. Eh? May Morocco kill you. This Morocco where you this weed where you the smoke, now go kill you Vera. Ogu then I'm where you to aze mwenya, where aze Morocco your wedding. One lot then it go lie. How see go for not do a live video. A mama eti yagba who be alive your kwada. Gene kwemu. Only you go fit do this one. You have started what you cannot finish. And be right you, Vera. As you say only you go fit beat how many people so. We don't see worst thing on this social media before you even come. All right? Wa gbe o sankpana nwa re yera hu. Ugbo yera hu evera. Era degu ogwa. Era degu ogwa. Ugbo yera hu. Iva bo mwera o. Iva bo fie kun le ra vera. No do ya biele moda fi okwa agbon. Wa ho wa we you not be pure. Whether that can do re here. When me we don't know any na kedo arade. Ah no good boo evera. No good boo. Benji no we mukiana. When ma go vie sign no ga tell vie sign you don't pay your diary now. Who they pay useless toto diary? Because you are so frustrated, you are so condemned. Before you can go to smoke Morocco, you know see say na a frustration. Now you can value. Wow, wow, we do see you egbe. What do you believe people cost for your body, Vera? No bell, no fiam. He got more papa than Buayeva. Where? When we're sending. How could you want Dekuwa? Again, I have more power than walk back. Very honey. When we send you for one day, in Morocco, when I have one year for man, I clear. Etie mama. What? Ah, bera vish work by ah, bera ni by. Oguna mo bera. Ogwa son gwa vando bera vera. Gege no aga gie gwe wera fiya. Wera lori ari o yulu le laini. Iva ba mu gwa vo visual o. O me no pa ne serani la die do eri ono na igwa be din ohun we la die eri no pa gie wo ohun eku emu we na na di onu do admin na no ma ekbiza munu ebe mana ni aya koke monu una do a change here ha eri o re ya ha give away no ame ya gbele money wa gekeni na be mi raga go akere be no dede o gwi guy yan wo gbeso ya be mi guy wo inwene ni mamwe uhohu aboto ebo no gbe oyan ga de cha benefit no uya ya di moto no suwo na no mama e mo gwe se yogwa ha umami o ja gba ogiyan uhohu abagbon Ogun gbera vera. Ugbo viera hun. Ugbo viera hun. Ogbo ma yese na mama. Gwe ne no gbo ma yese na khani. Ogbo yan ma yen ya kan mo se. Ekbiso rere na silo give you gwe. Gwe se ya kan me. Nu lori e ba gbon ri angbado tiye. Eri angbado tiye ni e dogmina. That what you know see and bring and come out. Where that person can say, Vera, come fight for me. You want to notice me? If you smoke Morocco finish, you don't know what they do again. Very useless thing. Go they call ourselves Vera TV program. Ogun Bera. Because my son at the test start this get the winch on my people. What did it happen? Wake just start to insult her head. Say she come from Mesa. They try to insult every one of our enemies. As I just come out to talk to Vera that day, when I not even swear, not do anything, now so I take come out for this case, when she come they change the matter later. You just to beg her, say this thing you are doing is wrong. You can't keep generalizing. This is social media. If somebody offend you, follow that person. Don't go use how they cause people when they don't stay their own. It's not good. Now she says she still continue. Just the way I came out to talk to this Ole Morocco. Huh? That day. Please stop. And she still went further. Because if they don't frustrate, they don't know the one where they did for life again. Egbe no useless egbe ni buya. Nu wakere egbe ni hohua. Uwa hohua begugwa ni. Uwa aki oto no gbebi begbe nu wakere na. Ogun oga gbugwa begbe nu wakere. Wage mi hun. O vi ju wa no pa na we la tendo agun anene we mi na na ne egeni. Ha. Ogun azu ozu. Egeni ma ero bo no pa bodoni. O ma no kwa emi oni o ege gbe maran. We ne gbe maran we ran sera. Aya iya ti e bo no wa be gbe ni. Egbe na ti e bo na. Egbe no hohu anu wakere. You concern one person. Why you go call the generalize say you want to swear for your papa? Face that person. Even if there are 10 of them, as many as them, will just offend you. You offend that one. When you go concern tribe. Baby father, when you say they house, he not pay your dowry. He not pay your dowry. In the first place, his father, some time ago, I still see that one. One of the do, I don't know what still happened that time. When the papa can say, I saw you the cousin. So in the first place, the family don't even accept you as a part of them. The family, the father is against you. The family, they never accept you. So this Benjamin now, he not pay your bride price. You go call the same people where they not pay bride price. Papa Ayo, that one never see Gary drink finish. Talk, let's say first pay your dowry. Where you can't see man, where pay your dowry? Hey? And there's no Benin man, a real Benin man where go take you enter house. Now that one I be the jealousy you because Benin men they like better things. Benin men they select. Hey? Any Benin man go, a real Benin man I'm talking about. Oh, not be the one where go saying come from here, come from here, come from here. No. When you go come say somebody like you, Vera, he go bien like you, now you go come take. It not even as a girlfriend, as a concubine, when they go take carry you. Benin men are very selective. Benin men, they are all kings and princes. And that's why it's called Benin Kingdom. We are all kings, queens, princess in Benin Kingdom. Hey? Person when you say you want face, so he don't let you face. You never hear say Papa your son not being get all the children. You never go find your dinner. The dinner where Papa your talk. When he say not being, he not sure say that he get all those children. Not be you first of all supposed to go bring dinner. Wow, Igbiagia no mama. Ogun ogbu egbe Benjamin, ogun ogbere Benjamin. Oh, agere Benjamin. Wa sungu wa fian wa lori ari udegu wa bagbon. Nu de fa wa. Va bo mwera o. Bo viera hun. Wa be you are. Wa be you are. Yeah. Ememe when you kwala wana gba oge nu gba oge we. Eja kan ma hie. Oga kan we kan ma le lo mani bo. What you gonna bring about this Benjamin yourself? Now this is son. No be Benjamin first talk son. He call it to a show. That one they say, oh, may I know you? Even first of all, you know they just call and sir. Respect him. Alright? Even there self, now he first the cause. Person will say irresponsible. Now so is a man responsible. I don't see any responsibility. For that, if truly you are a responsible boy, calling it to a show, no matter what happened, you're not supposed to first cause. Now if first cause ogun, the users and the proud here and there. Even from where he's saying first come talk to Enogi, the way he was still boasting, some person. Now I make that one still the call and come some boy. A useless boy like that. Benji. We no even sabi speak English. If they talk, you go carry tongue, a full mouth. Or Moamerunu, carry tongue, cover mouth, they talk. If when they bleach, the cop person said that they bleach. You come on fine. You not fine, rich and no give. Very useless boy. Me I say, hi, if you not see the boy today, do first like buff buff. He don't fight. Eh? Idiot people. If truly as you claim, say a person were responsible. If at all you even called into a platform, say at the moment that person still they insult you, that cause no go quick you to come outside. And the way you were hitting or Isa. You already test there was something going on there. Because when Vera wants to start this thing, be like say you would have done the gang up for inside house. Say Isa. Everything I wanna go like to take on to Isa. Muna let person they hear word. Eh? Oh, when they are for myself, but when we are telling where your bomb were done, where you are never. So you cannot expect a Benima to come and take you in. Never, it can't work. Now make you the jealousy. The same thing with this, your useless. Oh God, I've never seen such a frustrated family in my life. Huh? Your useless sister, you all are condemned elements in that your family. Ogun ogbu evera, ogun ogbera, ogun ogbera gbere Benjamin. Wa ho wa, what can we can do igmono maroi, agbera bai, a non-circumcised prostitute. Igbono sini oga gbo egbo bian. Wa fiyan wo han more rigbe ko we. Ma ne dororo. Wa gbe o. When you are done all year why you want to frustrate you. Eh? You think Benin men they just go after women like that? A prostitute of your type, an uncircumcised one at that. Look at this idiot. Womune makinoma malelao. Imagine ya vino wow. Who we told to aket boy of it? Where me of don't know vina we making or well. Ye making be again. Get making or a man boy in even a man no sa you eh. Oh, when I get out here too. Where me of yet up on way, Munemaka Sani Lelao. Never you want I can wakeri. Why would never do a talking on my young when no idea have a social media? Emani magi yen gele a oga bo ni wakeri. No good boy bo visual no me megesera. E gbo me wakeri. Wa ho wa ba mason. Yeah, Tanya, I think you people can still see this now. Even this one when they ask her so, say Benjamin never pay a bride price so. I know if one son reach there that day. So that you know go come be like say I too go too far. Just as I take do that video, this Igbobian girl, she came out and do the worst now. Huh? E Morocco ga gbuwe, e Morocco aya mo yoto de na mo yi din, e de ni afin yoto mu we yi no vera. Iya gi ke zeke gwe we ye ka ze Morocco nyawe. E Morocco ze meme gwe gbe. Wo isi e dokpa wo aje meme lewo. Wa gbe o meme ogbera gbiju. Owo we ye gwale dinedine. E dinedine de papa ayo e no we vodoni. Umami onita. Oma mo ekonu enu ya bi omisen. Nu ha ku adanania. Umai ga bi otejo ba ya gwale dinedine vodo. Wa ho wa. Do atale me no ma gba bo isi Morocco fone. Wa gbiki ugbe o wa n'aka do hi agbera nena do ni onu gbado ya si okuo ohun okuo ni bi wa esati sunu esan we do pa imahin whether they like it or not runda ima wa no hu yan kian give esan ima wa no hu yan kian ni bunwo ye ga mu lo gbegbe hian me mi wa na mi no hu e de o ga ru le hian. So we can set it away in your power if that's what you are trying to do to kind of bring a misunderstanding. It's not going to work for you. Etienika oyeta ma wevera. Uwa wama gueu oge no you huetai. Eje doveni ka oyeti ewe mwegege uju lule la imi. Uju huwe baba nere uju huwe bie huwe imi le lao. Uwe ya do ya otogbu nika oti ewe mu. Wọ́n gbé ọmọ gbé ìwò náà kú wá olùwà rí e wọ́n fíyàn wù ń tàn ń nọ kìrò náà jí láwà gbé ẹgbẹ́ mú gbé Papa Ayo, if una get Papa Ayo, I'm gonna give me the number. May we can't draw this Bobian. May we draw dine. Chineke mezioku. Chineke mezioku ni ododo imeja yu wekere. Cause me I know Robo Wella. Iya magwe. Ivie wobe hi have do state ninu. Iya magwe. Veni manivie do wabe ma. You understand? So I do acclaim evo numa kere. You have lost your roots completely. Why never wakere? Egbe ma veni anana e montan. E moni sankun e moni ho abagmo. Ogun ogbera vera. Isango na bo we all viral ekokudu. Bobiera hun. Iguano marue. And non-circumcised prostitutes like you. Ogun ogbu egbe Benjamin on mama. Geno mwa meru nugunwa. Gunwa zuo. Wa ho wafi moto aka. Go zuo no makoni oni no zuo. Guys zuo. Gevine no wo ye jajo Latin. Emini aya mo ma je bera grant ive mana. All those people, whether they carry black car away or go die, something like that. The waiting that they wear. Hey? One fian. He's celebrating what's the Morocco for Nevera. Who gave in who? Huh? When you make what to come, whoever tell you no. Oh, Hannah, whoever the those do say now. Nene minana ni aiti mede dege ime da suwe here nanya. Vivia do asi you egbe vera. Na pesi se me you no see binima marry. He say pikin drag something no reach in hand. He go say wetin I be one use and do. I beg you. I be not get anything when I go use and do. Now be this year also. You not see Benima will marry you. Oh my goodness. He? Just the talk for where matter no day. If I thought even consign you consign Benima. Now if I ask you that day, Vera, you never married Benima before. And Sarah, when they insult your papa head since, he never married Benima before. Huh? Even said this one where you there would not be saying marry you. This Benjamin. If truly as you they put on Esa men, they are so special. A reasonable man, a man will get life. A responsible man can never keep a woman at home knowing say he never marry her. That is already, if we can't say we follow the laws of old from the Bible. He keep you there. The answer that day, now you be her husband. He said, no, I be man. He not even talk. Person will say go university. He not even say, no, I be her man. I be her man. He said, no, I be a man. As if he's referring to a man like him. Come up pidgin English, not correct for him mouth. Papa, they draw you DNA for that side now. Hey? That one, you not pay your dowry. This baby father, where you the carry child benefit, they take beg now, make it stay with you for that. This one too. So where you gonna see people where they not pay their dowry? So if that boy is reasonable, I'm not telling you, it's not good for it's not right at all for a man to even keep a woman at all where you never pay her bride price. A woman you can't call your own wife. It cannot live with you. Hey? If we have to follow the biblical rules, laws to obey, okay? That's what I'm trying to say now. It's not right. A reasonable man can't do that. Talk less of man when not rich man, not rich boy safe. When they see they call on your baby father, that one is not a baby of his own. It's a baby on his own. Wait till you they tell laugh people. Dine na. The same thing, na papa you they draw you so. People where you they can't fight for say they not pay their dowry, their bride price. All right? The same thing, na Benjamin they do to you, you not pay your bride price. You know, see everything where you they take fight people. Now you're out of your frustration and your go where you they smoke. Hey? Something not good for your body, you don't want liver. Morocco not good for your blood. You don't want liver, you take and call them mad. There's nobody you have not insulted, no places you are not insulted so far. All because you say you came out to fight with one person. Ha na meme buwe na aje meme we vera. Aje meme we. O tone do no koku oga buwe. Nu gwa bado ya zedona. Nu nagido agwi ke buwe ba vie do riere akedoro ogun ogbera ni. Era makedore. Bueno ya mawe vo nu wakere. Eve uobo. I'm telling you. I know what I'm saying. Era mana ra choibo nu wakere mawa. Ogun ogbera igba igbogman ori agmonse. Iba ba muera o. Agbera pai. Asigidi no jobo ogbera. Wa ho wa bagmon. Idiot. There's no place you have not insulted. She. Mi ega ku wegbe so isa lo bo ave na be kun emi na. Uka be la jendo do duo ni. Wege mi aru okpa no suweri ogona. Can you first tell of us vera we ma mi oko. We am mi emi ne ba. U we agbaga. I'm telling you. Only myself if I get your time, Vera. If I get your time. Hey. Oh God. Where you go here say that they mention my name, you not go like to hear that name again. Now be others you are reckon where you the kind they do there. Echineke mezioku. Enyana pata. All those condemned words. Where you the text say you want content they make people come they fear you. For social media. An idiot like you. Where you not even dare husband house. Say make people come they fear you. Hey? Why they do it for them? They'll contact you say come beg as your sister still grace finish all that time. Vera, if you know what is good for you, this is your prostitute because the both of you are prostitutes. Mona, get inside. Get inside there because what you go hit you now for chest, you not go like him. I'm telling you. Get inside. Why got to a kinoma manania? Ana ido abwe bogbuwa. Awe umudan. Emani ho huwa. Emanagmogbe. Egani odo ata ati ebone mo. Wa bega enia. Ekile vera. No donagi gmono marwena kedo ade. Erioti oge serakave duwe. Geno mami agmore. He meme aja wa begben wa kede already wa memene. Meme mi egbeno ho huwa we ni anabe dagmo mede. Egbene vera ve serakere. Huh? I will say do asokpa wa wu wa give mera. E money wa ti deny riyan. E modern wa lori ari. Ekiano mama neru wado ya bi one way na do here it turns on somebody's flesh to become nuisance to the society. Ekiani ege eruwa ya gbalekun. Oke memewu. Uguda oga gberuwa ugudo di oga gberuwa. Uguda eruwa agagu. Wa ho wa. Wo mwe rovie. Yeah, Jesus Christ. We went to Wedomwe here. I can't believe where all those crowd. Ni wagu wherever ni we ivie do pataki geleru way. Ni telele we here. How do you want them to feel? Hi, manya wo nuwakere na nuwama onuwaka. Oh, God Almighty. Ikokaoga masek ben wakiri. E vera vesera. Aoga gwe begman wabu uwaga memegu. E meme aja wa. Uda nu wawa ya lagwe social media nano. Egbe ma gwe gbe oke da doge. E sera noro eme ojare. Egani mama egani wa ho ho awe nenegbe. Kuyi ando tale mi vision. Geri wa gele wa kekwa yu wa ho ho a egbe dan na kinwagmo. Iya mwe bogbu wa egbe na. Uma oge yogo mege nogi. Yoka di yo wa be tono nani. Di yon ka si yo kwe sana yuwe. Iwa reta. Ruda me miye di video yege. Ima are gui are line. Okeke do ya miyo. E pecha mi wa insisi. Gesan ye hi. Ila gogo e do agwa maka sao. Wa dori oge sao. Wa dori oge sao. Wa dori oge sao. E mani o lare na. Nugwe aya lele dan umugwa agbaro wa vo oge me no zuwa seni oni o ma bi etive mugwo goju wo hu ha oje mitan me o ma ko pia we gbe ni me na de some min beside huh. Really no get one your tado man no man gele ame any bad, you know, if you don't have any ulterior motive. Oh, where are you from, sir? Oh, all right, I'm from Mason. It's simple as that. No need of adding other thing. And I first this swear for a no get enemy. You say you're responsible. To marry that irresponsible wo ya. Why you work bovie we? We very lorry. Person go they talk some useless things go come they talk. All these children where their parents not train. Tiot. Come they carry laptop. What do you know? Anybody can hold a laptop. What do you know inside laptop? Eh? When they wear AliExpress suit, Chinese suit, to say you want to do saga. The suit self not be suit, dead body suit. Whether they take bury person, all those people whether they carry caskets, useless thing. So my people, wanna send this message. And the mortal be message everywhere. One, woman be a baby, may you stay clear from Benin. We are kings and queens in Benin Kingdom. The Benin's are a unique people. If not, you not go call they hide. They claim that say you be Benin, whereas you not be Benin at all. Not even your papa. I go first understand like a no gena. Her mother na from Mesa. Okay. Yo, the boat not be Benin. Can't they form Benin? Can't they spoil our enemy names on social media? After you don't go smoking, go finish. Can't they misbehave? People go through the town say, you be Benin, maybe na your papa or your mama and I come from Benin. Whereas you are not. In Benin Kingdom, we are all kings and queens. And that's why it's a kingdom. Oh Lord, idiot. May I see you again? Father, not pray me I get your time. Oh, I'm telling you. You will not say I saw my own start. When all this craze happened some time ago, now still come out, now so I still take the come outside though, not be only kids home or other ones. Now so the test start. Still to talk to that one, beg my sister, I don't like what if they do so before all those matter can't reach that one way can happen. Hey? Now this problem una do. When two some boys, the other one can go stab the one to the point of death that day. Before that boy come up for hospital, even when he don't reach out, I still they call them. But una when they do this thing, una not they care for people. All those people when they first start, even though don't know Jena where they craze for that side, all of them. I know here said the time he said these people see they call them. No. I called them until that boy was being discharged. Still when he was at home already. And I go cause all this problem. Hey? So my people now do well. Thank you so much. Thank you. I will share the video so that she go just see and direct to her. And suddenly you go feel fight millions of people. Where you say you want face now, I'll see her. I say only me, Vera. Sometimes if you enter you know say person don't they he get some stage for life. Person go come they calm down. Now it just be the thing, If you know me before, where if I carry iron, I'll break them. I'll use and tear that your bow head into two. Only me, I feel drive you. Hell, if I meet you, stay away from us. Iguanomarue. Uncircumcised prostitute. You with your useless Benjamin will go kill him, Papa. When the toss is my man. Me and the thing say, hey, who knows the kind man? Everything I own they turn to man. Go by. Go bera bo vira home. Yes, my people, later.